Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely original 1972 BMW 2000 or Neue Klasse as they're known in Germany. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this BMW 2000. Lights come up as they should. We have got the fan on at the moment. That's the whirring noise you can hear because it's very humid here today. Starts smartly, whether it's hot or cold. Needs a bit of choke when it's cold, but there we go. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. BMW 2-litre engine there. It's doing what it should. No histrionics or any funny noises, smells or anything. Just doing what it's supposed to do. We'll go around the other side and show you around there as well. Here's the other side. As I say, just performing the way you would hope it would. Next up, driving. Okay, so here we are out in this 1972 BMW Neue Klasse 2000. It's done 47,000 miles from new, and I have to say it drives like that's absolutely correct. Drives beautifully. It's a shame it's raining. I don't really like taking classic cars out in the rain very much, but it is what it is. At least the wipers work. But drives absolutely beautifully. The only criticism I can make, and it is a minor criticism, the steering wheel is a couple of degrees off centre. But aside from that, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Lovely clutch and gearbox in it. 4-speed gearbox on this one. Not a rattle or a squeak or suspicious noise anywhere, just gets on with the job. The only other criticism, the clock in the centre of the dash isn't working, the time clock, but the other instruments, or what you've got speedo, fuel gauge and temperature gauge, all spot on. And I can't seem to get any life out of the original radio either. But yeah, I mean, for its day, this was just so far ahead of anything produced in the UK. Escorts, Cortinas, Marinas and stuff like that. But it was massively more expensive, which is why they was pretty rare then, and certainly very rare now. Brakes nicely. There we have it. Just a really spot on little car. I love it.